Alright, you box breakers and pack rippers, welcome back to another special episode of the Box Breakers. We are here at Joe's Card Shop, Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles on 24th Street in Osborne. Stop in and see him, hit him up on Facebook, give him a call. Today we've got more of our Stars and Stripes 2019. We did 2 boxes of these previously. We pulled 10 autographs out of our 2 boxes. So we decided to take another shot at it today. We've got Joe, special guest star in the studio with us today. It's Mr. Joe himself. How's it going, Joe?
Going good, man. I seen you open this stuff. It was good.
It was good. It was a lot of fun. So I asked Joe to pick up a few more boxes. He went to the distributor and hooked it up. So here we are back at it again. Yeah, we just did the Topps Inception just a second ago. If you haven't seen that one, go back and check it out. Here at Joe's Card Shop on Friday nights and Monday nights, they do gaming. Today it's Yu-Gi-Oh! And anyway, they're open later here on Fridays and Mondays. Alright, so we got a bunch of people we don't really know who they are yet. I mean, these guys are all young. They're like 16, 17, 18 years old. So I'm not even gonna, we're just gonna roll through them here. If we see anybody we know, we'll mention it. Here looks like our first hit. It's a numbered Bobby Witt Jr. 221 of 224. Autograph relic card. Nice. And whatever these longevity.
Tyree Reed.
Tyree Reed.
Might not know who he is now, but you will maybe later.
Any of these guys got, you know, potential. I've been looking on eBay as well. They have Japanese and Chinese players too. I don't know if they come in these boxes or what, but I've been bidding on some one-of-one cards on eBay. And there's a few players that are going for more than everybody else. What do we got here? Number 105, $4.99 on card. I don't know. I think the next one's going to be numbered. But this is John Dokikis? I don't know. Whatever. On card autograph. All right, Drew Romo is either going to be another auto or a numbered card. Oh my gosh.
2 autos in one box.
2 autos in one box? 2 on card autos. Holy smokes. Check that out. Nice.
I guess you're going to beat the average on this one.
Well, we'll see, hopefully.
You're halfway there. This will be halfway through the pack.
Unless they do me wrong on these next ones.
Thank you, because I've been forgetting to get that for him.
Drew Romo. That's what's his name from the Cowboys?
Any relation to Tony?
Yeah, that's Tony's son, Drew.
Is it really?
No. So I ordered this one. I got it one-of-one autograph. I think autograph relic card of this guy for like $25 on eBay.
It's not bad.
For a 101.
Riley Green again.
Riley Green and Will Wilson.
Ooh, what is
big old patch. Number 96 of 299.
It looks like that moleskin. You ever seen moleskin? You get a blister on your foot.
Oh yeah.
That's what it looks like.
So maybe that's why we got the other auto.
Yeah.
Because in our other boxes we got 10 autos. Dominique Fletcher.
Hey Ray, you getting anything else?
Oh, that shiny one.
Yeah, this one's numbered to 99. Kyle Bronovich. Here's Isaac Pacheco, number 169 of 199.
It's a good jersey there, man.
Yeah, big old patch. Zach Thompson. All right, last pack of our first box. We'll see if we get our 5th auto. Sticking with tradition. Nico Horner,
Zach Watson, Ryan Clifford,
Andre Palente, Brandy House. Here's the checklist. Oh, yeah, we got the gold, number 14 of 89. Riley Cornelio. And Bobby Witt Jr. All right, box number 2. Probably. We're gonna need more room for all our hits. All right. Let's see if we can get a 1-on-1.
That'd be awesome. This is the second gold signature you've gotten, right?
Yep.
First time you ever got a moleskin patch, though, right?
Right. First moleskin. Riley Green, Drew Romo, looking like a repeat pack. Zach Watson, Anthony Volpe. We've seen him before in one of our others. Number 42 of 299. And that guy on the longevity, Sammy Faltine.
You entered me wrong.
No, you're right, Dean.
Do you need effect colors?
No, I think I know what I did wrong. It's all good.
Oh, where's the auto? Oh, right there. Dominic Fletcher and Dominic Fletcher. Number 75 of 499. Got the black ink.
On card auto, though.
Yep, on card. Zach Watson, Ryan Clifford, Justin Colon, Andrew Vaughn. So I think Andrew Vaughn was one of the top 3 picks. I'm not 100%, but I think his stuff was going for more. Casey and Lizzie. Right? Here's Max. Look at this guy. He's got braces on, man. He's like 13.
Yeah, these are young kids.
Number 174 of 499.
Young kids living the dream, though.
Tyler Reed.
Didn't play a kids game.
I keep it in there because I know some people don't
Hopefully some of these guys make it big.
Yeah.
summon, but at the same time, it's like you always want to
Zach Thompson.
see Valente.
Yeah, for sure, exactly.
So that's why I put it on.
Another checklist. Dylan Cruz,
If you draw this,
number 54 of 199. Pretty nice looking one.
you can always set yourself up.
That guy looks a little tall, man. He might be pretty good. He looks kind of like a George Springer there.
Look at that. It's got some dirt on the patch too.
Nice. Got some blue autos, black autos, gold autos.
I saw they have green and red autos also on eBay. All right, we got something fat in here.
Cherry card.
They're both in your side.
Christian Little, Jake Agnos.
Ooh,
2 of 2. That's a nice
patch.
one.
That's like a logo patch.
Yeah, that's a nice patch. 2 of 2. Wow. And that's, who was that? Shea Langriers. Wow, 2 of 2. Super cool. Pete Crow Armstrong.
I bet you the 1 of 2 has the other side patch.
You're probably right. So that's really cool. So we got that, and we got gold.
So it looks like you get 1 rare thing per box. Like low number.
Yeah.
And and then 5 autos per box.
Right.
That one box, you got an extra patch, though.
Yeah, we got an extra patch. Wow. So I mean, I think for the product, for the price, I think the hits are really good. I don't know of any other product for this price that you get this many hits. I mean, they're all young guys, but
all it takes is one of the guys to make it. I mean, if this guy makes it and you have that patch,
right.
it's looking good.
Yeah. Well, there you go. That's 2019 Stars and Stripes USA Baseball.
Do any of your subscribers know who these players play for? If they've played in college or if they have been drafted? Let us know in the comments.
Yeah, definitely.
I would like to know.
Definitely. Let us know about it in the comments. Thanks to Joe here at the card shop. Thanks to all the subscribers. Make sure you hit the notification bell. We'll be doing some other openings here real soon. See you next time here on the Box Breakers. We're out.